The third button displayed allows us to switch to player view, which we can also access using the navigation dialog or the camera bar. If we access player view this way, it starts at the time of the selected event. We can playback this event using the play, forward, backward buttons. The jog shuttle button allows us to change the speed. We can play the frame forwards or backwards using these buttons. If we now want to jump to another time in the video, we can use the calendar page symbol. The corresponding time is displayed in the event of movement. If we just go on, the software searches for the event closest in time. We can also jump to a specific time by entering the time we are looking for in the time field. It is possible to adjust the time range for the calendar page symbol by clicking and holding the symbol. The slider then covers the selected time range. There are various different modes available for playback. If we want to play all recordings one after another, we have to select entire recordings. Only the current event is played back with event recordings. There are also corresponding options available for frame playback of event images only or the pre-alarm images and highlighted images. Playback in time-lapse mode is also possible here. It may be useful for research to highlight specific events in order to easily find them again. You can do so by using the small flag symbol. You can then provide the highlighted events with additional information. For example, we can add the car type here. We can filter according to this term later on, allowing us to quickly and conveniently access the search result. For example, if we want to see all of the Volkswagen Golfs that pass the street in the morning. If a specific time range is to be exported for the playback, the time range first needs to be specified. To do so, we navigate to the beginning of the sequence and tap the small flag on the left, which marks the beginning. We then navigate to the end of the desired time range and tap the small flag on the right to mark the end. Once this has been specified, the two small flags turn green and the export dialog can be opened. The beginning and the end of the export is shown again here, and it is possible to select the specific export options. We need to select MOBOTIX to get an option with the MXPEG code MXG file. All we need in the next dialog is the file name and storage location, and with that, the export starts. We can select the automatically import after export option in this dialog. Afterwards, this recording, like a camera, is available as a video source in the camera bar. An alternative option is to drag the exported file from the File Explorer and drop it into the live view. This puts the recording in the camera bar, and we can select it to play it. In many cases, only a single image is required for evidential purposes. To export the image, it is necessary to press the snapshot button. The corresponding image is thereby stored in the computer's image directory.